Are you looking for a new way to get your carpet clean swiftly? Carpet sweepers were popular decades ago, long before carpet vacuums were perfected. However, they're making a comeback, and can we just say how excited we are? We've researched real customer reviews and popular products, as well as applied our own insight to bring you the 7 best carpet sweepers of the year. Number 1. Bissell Natural Sweep Floor and Carpet Sweeper. This simple, durable, and versatile Bissell Natural Floor Sweeper is effective on high and low pile rugs, carpets, hardwood, and tile floors, so you can use it in just about any room. And unlike powered sweepers and vacuums, it's virtually silent and uses no electricity. This is also among the best floor sweepers for pet hair of those we've tried. It's also especially eco-friendly among manual carpet sweepers, thanks to its use of recycled plastics and lack of disposable parts. Bissell donates a portion of this sweeper's revenue to help homeless pets, which is a program we admire. To keep the rest of your house clean, you might also be interested in the best robotic window cleaner, eco-friendly, made from recycled materials and effective on carpeted surfaces and hardwood floors. This high-quality sweeper is a quiet and pet-safe alternative to a vacuum. However, small debris such as breadcrumbs took a few tries to sweep up, especially on wood floors. Still, we like how it removed dog hair from area rugs. Pros: fast, intuitive assembly, easily accessible dirt cup, lightweight and comfortable to use, wide, 5-inch sweeping path. Cons: emptying the dirt cup is a bit cumbersome. Number 2. Bissell Perfect Sweep Turbo Cordless Floor Sweeper. Bissell's Perfect Sweep Carpet Sweeper can pick up pet hair from hard floors, carpets, and area rugs. Its rechargeable battery lasts for up to 60 minutes, and it operates quietly enough not to disrupt other household members. The Perfect Sweep's dirt canister, which holds up to 480 milliliters of debris, lifts out of the sweeper for easy emptying. This sweeper weighs just 5 pounds and lays flat for compact storage and has easy glide rubber wheels and an adjustable handle. This sweeper swept everything quickly, including large bits of debris, dust, breadcrumbs, and deeply embedded pet hair, faster than manual options. However, users may need to empty it often since it picks up so much dirt. It contains a large clear dirt compartment, so users don't have to second guess when it's full. The tray slides in and out with minimal effort. It moves around from room to room, and since it's so small, you can easily push it around underneath furniture with dust and debris or dirt. Glide the wheels wherever you need it to go, and adjust the metal handle if you find that a different height will work better for your cleaning path. Pros: bright charging light, large power button, great quality, adjustable handle. Cons: might be cumbersome to store. Number 3. Fuller Brush Electrostatic Floor Sweeper. This carpet and floor sweeper stands out as one of the only such items that might actually add to your home decor as well as help with cleaning, using a design basically unchanged since its introduction as a commercial floor sweeper some 114 years ago. The Fuller nonetheless provides effective cleaning power and modern convenience. It uses fully metal brush housings and reversible roller brushes along with stiff corner brushes to clear a 9-inch sweeping path. Smooth action and safe. Vinyl bumpers make it a great manual sweeper for hardwood floors and for use around furniture. If your house mostly has carpet, our guide to the best vacuum cleaner might work better. Classic early 20th century design plus a silent operation and effective dirt removal make this sweeper an excellent choice for quick cleanup duties. It's great for those who'd rather show off their carpet sweeper than hide it in a closet. The rollers are able to be removed by gently pulling the casing apart at the axle points. This feature also makes it easier to use the brush comb to clean the natural fibers of the brushes. Overall, this is not a bad little carpet sweeper, but is definitely not one of the best considering the price. Number 4. Bissell Easy Sweep Compact Carpet and Amp Floor Sweeper. The Bissell Easy Sweep manual sweeper can be used on area rugs, low-pile carpet, and hard floor surfaces. Its short sweeper head and low profile make it a good option for parents, pet owners, and others who frequently clean the floors under furniture. This carpet sweeper has a single removable brush roll that can gather dirt, hair, and other debris. Once cleaning is complete, the Easy Sweep's dual canisters are easy to empty. At only 2.85 pounds, it's one of the lightest and most affordable sweepers on the market, and its handle loop makes it easy to hang in the storage closet when not in use. Fast to assemble and easy to use, the Bissell Easy Sweep lives up to its name. However, users may need to add a little extra elbow grease to cleaning routines. Picking up small bits of debris required multiple sweeps on all surfaces. It also isn't the best choice for large bits of debris such as dog kibble. Still, we were impressed with how well it picked up pet hair on delicate area rugs, so, while it might not check every box, the Bissell Easy Sweep may be adequate for some households. Pros: simple assembly, ideal for area rugs, easy to store, Cons, not the best for large debris on hard flooring. Number 5, Alpine Industries Triple Brush Floor Sweeper. This floor and carpet sweeper uses 3 rollers with bristles designed to pick up dirt, pet hair and crumbs. It has a rubber bumper that wraps around it to prevent scuffing furniture and moldings. The bristles are effective at picking up pet hair on most floor types including bare linoleum, low-pile carpeted floors and smooth tile. This is among the best manual sweepers when it comes to the ease with which you can empty the dustpans and clean off the rollers. It comes with a handy set of tabs for easy emptying, and it even includes a comb that makes it a breeze to remove pet hair from the rollers. For your kitchen cleaning needs, our guide to the best sponge might also be useful. This model is among the easiest manual carpet sweepers to empty and clean, thanks to a well-designed tab system that opens the dust pans, along with a neat included bristle comb that helps get pet hair off of the rollers. Moreover, it's compact and easy to store. Pros: simple to clean with the included comb, rubber bumpers for protecting furniture, durable steel frame, easy to assemble. Cons: not fully bidirectional.